back. Let me start with a problem which says if px is a 4-degree monic polynomial and if for value x is equal to 1, the value of this expression is 1. For value p, for value x is equal to 2, this expression gives value 3, and similarly for 3 it gives 5, and for 5 and 4 it gives 7. These are the values that can be attained from this polynomial, because this is unknown. So only the value 1, 2, 3, 4, the end value of the end results are given, and then find what is the value if I put x is equal to 5 there in the equation, and then this value you have to prove, it is given in the equation is 33. This you have to prove. Okay. Prove it that for p is equal to 5, the value attainable from this equation is 33. So now start the solution. So if you follow this equation px, which is a 4-degree monic polynomial, and the value attainable for p1, x is equal to 1, 2 for 3, 3 for 5, and 4 for 7. This, as because this is a 4-degree monic, then I have to understand this monic means there is only one variable. First, there is only one variable, and the highest degree of that variable is 4. The highest degree of this variable is 4. The monic means there is one variable, and 4 degree means the highest value of that variable is, so that expression is a there is a variable, that variable highest power is 4. That means this expression must have only 4 roots. So these are the concept that you have to fetch from the information given in the equation. So first information is monic means there is only one variable, the highest degree is 4, and as because the highest degree 4, the number of roots from this equation attainable is 4. So now come to the solution. Now considering p is equal to 1 is equal to p1 means for x value of 1 is 1, p x value of 2 it is 3, p x value of 3 it is 5, and p x value of 4 it is 7. So if you follow this equation, I can write this equation the fashion is equal to px minus something 2x minus 1 is equal to 1, because this 1, 3, 5, 7 is in a AP series. From there, if I calculate what will be the xth term of this series, it will give 1 plus, it will be very easy, 2 xth term, 2x minus 1 into d means 2. Sorry. This gives the nth term for any AP series a plus n minus 1 into d. So here a is the first term 1 plus n is equal to the xth term x minus 1 into d means the difference between the terms, that means 2. So if I calculate, it becomes 2x minus 1. The same theory I can use it there, and I can keep, if I take this on this side, so it will give p1 minus 1 is equal to 0, this will give p2 minus 3 equal to 0, likewise. So I want to put in a common fashion px minus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now if you put 1 there, you can easily find that this value gives equal to 1. So there I will take this equation is equivalent to hx, and this gives px minus 2x minus 1. This will give, as because this is equal to 0, this also will give equal to 0. Okay, now up to that you can understand easily. Now if I take for this equation, as because for x this equation equal to this equation is equal to 0, that means px is equal to 1, that means p1 minus 1 equal to 0, that means hx is equal to 0. That means for x is equal to 1, h of 1 equal to 0. Okay, so as this is equal to 0, and you can say the x minus 1 is a root for hx, as because this equal, for putting x is equal to 1 I am getting 0, that means this satisfies as x minus 1 is a root of this. Similarly all other terms, that means x minus 2, x minus 3 and x minus 4 are the roots of this equation. Now if I come to this conclusion, I can write easily that hx is a function is equal to x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 and x minus 4. For this, because for any value x 1 2 3 4 is hx equal to 0, so these are the multiple of this. There should not be any constant, because then the value of x will be changed. So as because for any value of 1 2 3 4 hs is equal to 0, that means this could be the only possibilities. And further to that, as hs is a function of px, then I can write p of x minus 2x minus 1 is equal to x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 and x minus 4. Then px is equal to, if I bring all the variable on one side, it will become x minus 4 plus 2x minus 1. Now we put the value of x, for which you have to calculate p5. So here x is equal to 5 you have to put. You put the value of p5, which is equal to termed as px, p5 sorry. So this will give you x, if you put x value is equal to 5, so first term is 4 multiplied by 3 into 2, and the last is 1 plus 2 into 5 minus 1. So this will give 3 to 40 the 12 24, and plus this 5 to the 10 minus 1 9. So this is 13. So here it is your answer, and this is the thing that you have to set to prove. So you have proved already. As far as 5 where p of x is equal to 5, the value of p5 is equal to 33. So that's for now today, and I will come with more interesting problems in later videos. Try to forward my videos in your groups so that people can learn out of it, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.